Good morning, 26 January 2021. Going for a run. About 36 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Forecast is rain in about an hour. Doesn't smell like rain, so I think we'll be okay. Have a great. Today's run is motivated and inspired by Chief Warrant Officer Bruce Boltze MIA 1972. Thank you for your service and sacrifice, sir. Have a great day, y'all. Well, 5 minutes, negative splits, starting at 8 minute pace, going down about a 7 minute pace. That was a good run. And then about a 2 mile cool down, a slow jog. Have a great day. Find your motivation.